Have you ever wondered how a single person can amass a $300 billion fortune and transform the world of finance? Meet Thomas Peterffy, the brilliant mind behind Interactive Brokers, whose groundbreaking approach to trading options and market making has redefined investing. Stick around as we uncover the secrets behind his incredible success and how his investment strategies could inspire your own financial journey. Early beginning. Thomas Peterffy, a remarkable figure with a fortune nearing $300 billion, began his journey in Soviet-controlled Hungary in 1944. As a teenager, he displayed his entrepreneurial spirit by reselling juicy fruit gum at an astonishing 500% markup. In 1965, he ventured to America with grand ambitions. Despite briefly attending New York University, he soon shifted gears, starting as an architectural draftsman before diving into computer programming at an engineering firm. Peterffy's career took a transformative turn when he landed a job on Wall Street. His innovative spirit led him to create trading models that revolutionized equity options trading. By 1977, he was trading as a market maker, leveraging his algorithms to achieve substantial profits. His early adoption of new technologies set him apart from competitors and fueled his success. In 1993, Peterffy founded Interactive Brokers, aiming to democratize electronic trading. His foresight paid off in 2007 when he sold a stake in the company, netting around $1 billion. Interactive Brokers has since grown exponentially, serving over 2.4 million accounts and boasting a market capitalization exceeding $33 billion. Peterffy retains a significant 75% ownership of the company, further cementing his status as one of the wealthiest individuals in America, with an estimated net worth of $26.2 billion. Beyond his business ventures, Peterffy has invested in real estate, owning over 560,000 acres in Florida, where he relocated in 2014. A prominent supporter of Republican causes and free market principles, his influence extends beyond the financial world, shaping policies and driving change. Initial investments. Thomas Peterffy's journey from humble beginnings to becoming a financial powerhouse is nothing short of extraordinary. Arriving in the United States with just a few dollars and a drive to succeed, Peterffy started his career as a draftsman. It wasn't long before he delved into the world of computer programming, a skill that would prove pivotal in his future endeavors. His entry into Wall Street came with a unique twist. Before he could code, he had to master the art of commodity trading. A formative experience at the Commodities Exchange ignited his passion for options trading, a realm shrouded in uncertainty and ripe for innovation. At that time, the methods to value options were largely unexplored. Determined to crack the code, Peterffy developed his own groundbreaking formula for determining option values, unaware of the Black-Scholes model that was also making waves. With a seat purchased on the American Stock Exchange, Peterffy transformed into a market maker, engaging in relentless trading that yielded modest gains but invaluable experience. His vision didn't stop at trading. He saw an opportunity to expand and innovate. As his operations grew, he began hiring talent and building a robust company that spanned all U.S. options exchanges and eventually Europe's emerging digital markets. The cornerstone of his success was a cutting-edge computer system that drove the firm's high-frequency trading operations, managing hundreds of thousands of options daily. This technological edge led to the creation of Interactive Brokers, a brokerage firm born from the integration of their extensive market-making network. In 2007, Interactive Brokers went public, boasting a staggering $4 billion in earnings from options trading. However, as market dynamics shifted and traditional market making waned, the company pivoted entirely to brokerage services. Today, Interactive Brokers stands as a testament to Peterffy's visionary approach and relentless drive. Strategy for career trading options. Back in 1969, Peterffy crafted a pioneering formula for valuing options, a concept that predated the renowned Black-Scholes model. He wasn't content with theory alone. He brought his vision to life with a revolutionary computer program. This innovation wasn't just a step forward, it was a leap into the future. Peterffy assembled a team of traders who were equipped with the latest tech, including the first handheld computer introduced in 1983. This device, a marvel of its time, allowed traders to access real-time data right on the trading floor. The challenge was immense. The open outcry system of the era was chaotic, and there was no existing method for computers to communicate seamlessly. Peterffy's solution? A sophisticated setup of cathode ray tubes, early computer screens that connected the trading floors to his office in the World Trade Center. This network ensured that every trade was accurately monitored and adjusted in real time, optimizing bids and offers to balance risk and opportunity. This innovative approach catapulted Peterffy's firm to dominate the global options market, commanding between 15% and 20% of the volume in the early 2000s. However, as the brokerage industry evolved and market-making profitability waned, Peterffy made a strategic pivot, transitioning his firm into a leading brokerage that continues to thrive today. First big investment. Peterffy's astute investment acumen was further demonstrated in the late 90s with Knight Trading Group. Despite their impressive operations and the high stock price of $150 per share, Peterffy saw through the facade. After a thorough assessment, he anticipated the company's downfall and made a bold move by shorting the stock. His foresight paid off spectacularly as the stock plummeted to $20, earning him a staggering $30 million. Shorts on other companies. In the late 1970s, Peterffy made a daring move that would become a cornerstone of his trading wisdom. As a small-scale investor at the time, he found himself in the midst of a critical trading floor moment. He spotted a rare opportunity with DuPont options, an undervalued gem. Acting quickly, he purchased 300 call options at a bargain rate of $18 each. The stakes were high, and the thrill of a potential windfall was palpable. Just as Peterffy reveled in his newfound fortune, the scene shifted dramatically. Another trader entered, seeking to buy 500 options, and Peterffy, caught up in the excitement, sold him 500 options at a much higher price of $31 each. In his haste, he sold 200 more than he owned. It was a gamble that seemed to pay off, until DuPont's stellar earnings report and a stock split turned the tables. The market closed abruptly, and Peterffy found himself in a precarious position, needing to buy back those 200 options at an astonishing $450 each, an expense that drained half of his hard-earned capital. This costly experience etched a crucial lesson in Peterffy's trading strategy: never sell options cheaply and always be wary of potential insider trading. It was a turning point that shaped his approach, reinforcing the importance of thorough analysis and caution in the fast-paced world of finance. Current market and investment strategy. His financial empire is largely anchored in interactive brokers, a testament to his trust in his own creation. However, Peterffy's financial acumen extends beyond mere stock market stakes. He holds several $100 million in various investments, with an ever-increasing focus on preserving capital over chasing profits. Peterffy's investment philosophy is shaped by a deep-seated belief in the value of capital preservation, influenced by his upbringing in a socialist regime where private property was non-existent. In a world where economic chaos can strike unpredictably, his primary concern is safeguarding his wealth against potential turmoil. He constantly evaluates the likelihood of private ownership being respected and defended, not just in the US, but globally. As political landscapes shift, Peterffy is vigilant about the creeping tide of socialism. He questions whether the US might lean towards a collectivist society, prompting him to explore investment opportunities in regions that promise a robust environment for private enterprise. Countries like New Zealand, Australia, Canada, England, South America, and the UAE are on his radar. While he doesn't claim these regions are superior now, he recognizes that geopolitical changes could reshape investment landscapes dramatically. For Peterffy, investing isn't about uncovering secrets or relying on others' insights, it's about embracing logic and facts. His extensive experience underscores the importance of personal diligence in investment, revealing that thorough knowledge and independent analysis are crucial to success in the financial world. Future investments. Thomas Peterffy has a blueprint for young investors that's both exciting and revolutionary. He advises diving deep into a specific industry, becoming a master in that domain, and closely understanding the leading companies within it. For anyone eager to make a mark in the investment world, Peterffy's guidance points to one compelling sector: energy. He champions the idea of focusing on energy sourcing, production, and distribution. With the shift towards green energy and innovations designed to cut carbon emissions, this field offers endless possibilities. By immersing yourself in the latest technologies and sustainable practices, you're not just investing in a sector, you're reinvesting in the future of our planet. For a young investor with a vision, specializing in energy could be the key to not only a prosperous career but also contributing to a cleaner, more sustainable world. If you found Thomas Peterffy's story as fascinating as we did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. Dive into the world of elite finance with us and stay updated on the latest insights and strategies.